Have you ever stopped to think about your relationship with money? Is it a source of stress and anxiety, or does it bring you joy and happiness? These thought-provoking questions are what Ken Honda, the renowned Japanese author, asks us in his enlightening book, Happy Money. The concept of happy money isn't about the amount of money sitting in your bank account, it's about your attitude towards money. How you perceive it, how you handle it, and how you let it impact your life. Honda suggests that money, believe it or not, can either be happy or unhappy. The difference lies in how we treat it. Do we anxiously hoard it, feeling never enough? Or do we gratefully receive it, use it wisely, and generously share it? The way we interact with money can transform it from a source of worry into a source of joy and abundance. So let's dive into the lessons from Happy Money and find out how you can change your relationship with money. The first lesson we learn from Happy Money is to appreciate our money. Now you might be wondering, how do we appreciate something as abstract as money? Well, Ken Honda suggests a simple yet empowering practice: extending gratitude each time you use money. Imagine this. You're at your favorite coffee shop. You've just paid for your morning brew. Instead of rushing out, take a moment, look at the change in your hand, or the receipt, and say a silent, "Thank you." It might feel odd at first, but this simple act of appreciation acknowledges the value of money and the comfort it brings into our lives. The same goes for when you receive money. Whether it's your paycheck, a gift, or finding a forgotten dollar in your pocket, say, "Thank you." This practice of gratitude, Honda believes, can help us foster a positive relationship with money and ultimately make it happy. By appreciating our money, we can start to change our relationship with it and make it happy. The second lesson from Happy Money is that money is energy. Now, you might be wondering, how can something as tangible as money be compared to something intangible like energy? Well, Ken Honda invites us to think of money as an exchange of energy. It's neither good nor bad in itself, but its value and influence are determined by the energy we associate with it. Imagine a dollar bill. If you perceive it with fear, resentment, or greed, you infuse it with a negative energy. On the other hand, if you approach it with respect, gratitude, and positivity, that dollar bill becomes imbued with a positive energy. It becomes happy money. The energy you give to your money influences how it flows in your life. If you treat your money with respect and gratitude, it will respond in kind, creating a positive cycle of abundance. Remember, money is energy, and the energy you give to your money matters. The third lesson from Happy Money is about letting go of your money fears. Ken Honda emphasizes the importance of releasing our anxieties surrounding our finances. These fears, be it about not having enough or losing what we have, can create an unhealthy relationship with our money. This transforms our money into what Honda calls unhappy money. Unhappy money is money that carries negative energy, born from stress, worry, and fear. It's this energy that can lead us to make poor financial decisions, causing a self-perpetuating cycle of financial stress. Honda urges us to break this cycle. By addressing our fears, acknowledging them, and then consciously letting them go, we can start to change our money's energy. We can turn our unhappy money into happy money. Happy money is money that carries positive energy, leading to better financial decisions and a healthier financial life. By letting go of our fears, we can make our money happy again. So what have we learned from Happy Money? We've journeyed through appreciating our money, understanding it as an energy, and finally, letting go of our fears surrounding it. It's clear that our relationship with money is more than just transactions and bank accounts. It's about the energy we carry and the attitude we hold. We've learned to see money as an appreciative friend, not a demanding boss. It's an energy that flows in and out of our lives, and our mindset can influence this flow. Are we welcoming it with open arms or shooing it away with our fears? We've also discovered the power of letting go of our money anxieties. By shedding our worries, we liberate ourselves and our money, allowing for a smoother, more positive flow. By changing our attitude towards money, we can make our money happy and bring more joy and happiness into our lives. Remember, money is just a tool. It's our attitude towards it that matters.